Well, two Georgia lawmakers have joined a growing list in Congress. They're trying to improve benefits for veterans diagnosed with a rare neuromuscular disease. Well, this follows an 11 Alive investigation called Diagnosis Denied. Senior investigator Rebecca Lindstrom joining us live with this update.
Faith, the letter, which is addressed to Doug Collins, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs, was started by the head of the Rare Disease Caucus. Representatives Hank Johnson and we're told Rich McCormick have signed it as well, urging the VA to make inclusion body myositis, or IBM, a medical condition service-connected, to automatically grant benefits. In our investigation, Diagnosis Denied, we spoke with veterans who had fought for years to get those benefits. But according to the VA's own data, 80% of claims are still being denied. Collins attended a roundtable in Florida to discuss disability benefits and access to care. Our team was there to ask if the VA was any closer to making IBM a presumptive condition.
Most people think, well, we can just see something, call it presumptive, but then we also have to answer to Congress. We also have to answer for how we get there, and there's a process for how we get there. We do take in what private and public have done, but we also have our studies that we're doing. So we're in that process. Our folks are very aware of it, and we're continuing to work toward it.
The VA says it is still waiting on a study due next summer outlining what we know about IBM and its connection to military service. But lawmakers who signed on to that letter say veterans are suffering, and we know enough to begin approving more claims now. Faith?
Rebecca, thank you so much for bringing that to us. And we do want to remind all of our viewers, a lot of these stories, they start with tips. If you have a tip for Rebecca or the investigative team, you can reach out by calling the number on your screen. That's 404-873-9111. Or you can email investigate@11alive.com.